Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then opening your project. You need a clear backend choice. If you pick REST, create a retrofit module and add JSON and OK HTTP dependencies in build. Gradle. If you pick local persistence, add room components and capped config. Once done, sync Gradle and create a network or database package. Make sure to also enable Internet or Firebase permissions in Android Manifest. XML. This prevents runtime connection failures later. Now implement the core data layer and explain why separation matters. Build DTOs and retrofit endpoints for remote calls, or design room entities and DAO methods for local storage. Create a repository that mediates between viewModel and data sources so you can swap implementations without changing UI. Use Kotlin coroutines for concise asynchronous code. Launch an I/O dispatcher and return results to main. Once you wire dependency injection or singletons, finish by binding your viewModel to the UI and exposing live data or stateflow so the interface updates automatically. Validate end-to-end by running on an emulator or device, checking network permission, HTTPS certificates, and CORS on your API gateway. Make sure room migrations are in place before schema changes. If something fails, enable verbose logging, OK HTTP logging interceptor, Android SQLite debug, and inspect stack traces. This single troubleshooting step reveals most misconfigurations quickly and helps you fix connection errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.